The cheeseburger is a great classic of American cuisine, but shall we give it an Italian twist? For instance, we can use mozzarella or provolone cheese to add a touch of Italian flair to the dish. Here's the basic recipe for a cheeseburger with a small Italian touch. Ingredients: 4 hamburger buns, 4 beef burgers, about 150 grams each, 4 slices of mozzarella or provolone, 2 ripe tomatoes, sliced, fresh lettuce, 1 onion, sliced, optional, tomato sauce or ketchup, mustard, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Optional, a few fresh basil leaves for an even more Italian flavor. Preparation: if you wish to toast the buns lightly, cut them in half and toast them on a griddle or non-stick pan for a minute. Season the burgers with salt and pepper and cook them on a grill or in a hot non-stick pan for about 3-4 minutes per side for medium doneness. Before flipping the burgers, add a slice of mozzarella or provolone on top to allow it to melt well. Meanwhile, you can lightly cook the onions in a pan with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil if you prefer them to be softer and less pungent. Assemble your cheeseburger. Spread some ketchup and mustard on the bottom of the bun. Then add the lettuce, tomato slices, and if you opted to include them, also the fresh basil leaves. Place the burger with the melted cheese on top of the lettuce and tomatoes. Add the cooked or raw onion according to your preference. Add another layer of ketchup and mustard on the top bun before covering it. Your cheeseburger with an Italian touch is now ready to be served and enjoyed. Curiosity: even though the burger is typically American, the addition of Italian ingredients like mozzarella, provolone, and basil can create an interesting contrast of flavors that blend American culinary tradition with Italian.